All right, we're moving on now, shifting our focus to the vaping row. Remember that erupted in the parliament after Anurag Thakur said that a TMC MP has been using e-cigarette inside the parliament premise. Now, BJP has come up with a saboot, a video put out in which you can see Kirti Azad inside the parliament, vaping. BJP says rules and law hold no meaning for the TMC MP. Anurag Thakur had highlighted the issue when he said, is this allowed, smoking an e-cigarette inside the parliament? To which the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla, responded, said the law is the same for everyone, and if such an instance comes to fore, then action will be taken. Back then, Anurag Thakur had not named anyone. He had only named the party TMC. But now, BJP has put out this video. BJP has also substantiated its allegation, its charge against the TMC MP. In this video, you can see Kirti Azad vaping inside the parliament. Let me go across to Pragya. She's getting us more details. Pragya, first came the allegation. First, it was highlighted by Anurag Thakur when he did not name the Neta, just the party. And now, a video in which one can see Kirti Azad.
Well, absolutely right. And we have BJP MP Mr. V.D. Sharma with us to speak more on this, sir. The video is out. वीडियो आ गया है कीर्ति आजाद का वेप करते हुए और वो ट्वीट भी हो गया है किस तरीके से इस पूरे एपिसोड को देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि कीर्ति आजाद बहुत डिफाइंड थे, कह रहे थे कि नाम बताइए।
कीर्ति आजाद हो या कोई भी इस प्रकार के सदस्य हैं जो लोकसभा के अंदर इस प्रकार का व्यवहार करते हैं, माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष जी ने उस दिन भी कहा था कि ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। अगर इस प्रकार की चीजें सामने हैं, प्रूव्ड है, तो इनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
और ई सिगरेट बैन है सर, इलीगल है इंडिया में।
मेरा वही कहना है कि इस प्रकार से जो लोग और लोकतंत्र के मंदिर के अंदर इस प्रकार की भूमिका निभा रहे हैं और माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष जी के कहने के बाद, इसलिए ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। So there you have it, BJP MP Mr. V.D. Sharma, also a former state chief of Madhya Pradesh, speaking about this particular episode, saying that, a strict action is required in this particular episode.
Right. Pragya, please stay on with us. Let's also tell our viewers about the entire controversy, how it erupted, and when was the first time that it came to fore. So it was BJP MP Anurag Thakur who made this sensational claim in Parliament. He had accused a TMC MP of constantly smoking e-cigarette in the house for several days. Remember, there is a complete ban on e-cigarettes in India since 2019. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla responded by saying that no rules allow smoking inside the house and urged the members to maintain dignity of the house.
सर, देश भर में ई सिगरेट बैन हो चुकी है, क्या सदन में आपने अलाउ कर दी है?
नहीं, कोई माननीय सदस्य को कोई भी
सर टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर टीएमसी के सांसद सर कई दिनों से लगातार बैठ के पी रहे हैं सर।
कोई भी माननीय
टीएमसी के सांसद पी रहे हैं सर चेक नहीं सर, आप चेक करवाइए सर।
एक मिनट व्यवस्था
सर, सदन में अगर सिगरेट पीना अलाउ कर दिया है।
एक मिनट प्लीज। मैं सभी माननीय सदस्यों से पुनः आग्रह करता हूं, हमें संसदीय परंपराओं और संसदीय नियमों का अनुपालन करना चाहिए। कोई भी माननीय सदस्य कभी भी ऐसा कोई विषय मेरे पास आएगा तो निश्चित रूप से इस पर मैं निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करेंगे।
After these claims were made by Anurag Thakur, there was a demand that the BJP should also come up with proof. So the BJP has now put out this video of Kirti Azad. Remember earlier, TMC MP Kirti Azad said that they should give proof and written complaint as well. Listen in.
There are rules laid down in the Lok Sabha. If you are putting any allegations on any member or in any party, you have to first give it to the speaker in writing with proof. I can say that the BJP MPs take 30 to 40% commission on MP lads. What do you have to say to that? I'll have to prove it. So until unless I don't prove it, it doesn't stick. So it's useless, unnecessary.